10 facts about the rolling calf. Part 2. 1. They can be found in graveyards, the roots of cotton and bamboo trees, and dark, bushy country areas. 2. An Obeah man can control a rolling calf and send it to intimidate other less powerful spirits. 3. They are usually twice the size of the average adult bull. 4. It is believed that if you draw a cross on the ground and stick it in the middle with a knife, the rolling calf will stop chasing you. 5. The rolling calf is terrified of the moon, so one way to scare him off is to hold a mirror at an angle that will force him to see the reflection of the moon. This will scare him and make him run away.
Follow Jamaican true stories.
6. Another thing the rolling calf is afraid of is getting a whipping. If you hold a tarred whip in your left hand and flog it or attempt to flog it, it will become scared and run off in the night. 7. When you are whipping it, it is important that you use your left hand. 8. If you are being chased by a rolling calf, run across the street before it does, and for some reason, it won't follow you. 9. You can also try sticking a penknife or double-bladed knife into the ground, preferably at a crossroad or junction, and it will be unable to chase after you anymore. 10. Rolling calf are scarce these days because the island has gotten more populated and light posts are almost everywhere. Plus there is a sound that the countryman dem used to run dem way. Watch more facts about rolling calf in the playlist below.